Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So I'm here at the Gears in Toronto at their North York location, and I just wanted to show you over here 2018 Bulls E-Stream. There you got it right there. So this is the fully electric German company that came in this year, pretty popular. Now I'm gonna just go over here quickly at the components. It comes with the Shimano XT. So you do have a really nice touch here. They decided to put a XT at the front as well. Yeah, so pretty decent components. XT is second best Shimano level. Now over here they also have the SR Suntour suspension. So that's also a nice touch from them. I'm gonna just do from a different angle here. Really nice touch. Now you do also get some suspension here, and that's also paired up with the Schwalbe tires. So quick release hubs, as well as the disc brakes. So there you have it. Just want to do one more shot from this angle here. Beautiful bike.